In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your vendor details in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're looking to update contact information or modify vendor settings, I'll guide you step by step through the process to ensure that everything goes smoothly. When you first open QuickBooks Online, your dashboard may look a bit overwhelming, but don't worry, navigating through it is simpler than it seems. Begin by directing your attention to the left panel, where you'll find a variety of options. Click on the Expenses tab. This section is a hub for managing all things related to vendor interactions and expenditures. It's designed to give you a quick overview of where your money is going and who it's going to. Next, within the Expenses section, you'll find a smaller tab labeled Vendors. Click on this tab and a list of all your vendors will appear. This is where you'll manage and edit vendor information. The list might seem extensive, especially if you have many vendors, but QuickBooks makes it easy to find the one you need. You can use the search bar at the top to quickly locate a specific vendor or scroll through the list if you prefer. Once you find the vendor whose details you need to update, click on their name. This action will open up their detailed profile, which includes everything from contact information to billing data. Here, you can review all the current information you have stored about this vendor. To make your updates, look to the top right corner of the vendor's profile, where you'll see the Edit button. Clicking this button will allow you to modify the vendor's information. Now, as you start editing, be sure to carefully check each field for accuracy. Whether you are updating their phone number, email address, or payment terms, ensuring the information is correct is crucial, as these details will help streamline future transactions with them. Think of this as a chance to also clean up any outdated information you might have inadvertently left unupdated in the past. Once you've made all your necessary changes and feel confident everything is accurate, it's time to save your edits. You'll find the Save button prominently displayed, often located at the bottom or top of the page, depending on your screen size. Clicking this button will confirm and store all the changes you've made. And there you have it. That's all it takes. With these simple steps, you've successfully updated your vendor's information in QuickBooks Online. Remember, maintaining up-to-date vendor records is key to ensuring the efficient management of your expenses and relationships with partners. Thanks for tuning in, and happy bookkeeping!